and welcome back to Contractor's Point of View. Today we're going to do a little how-to on how to install and remove the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro from the iPhone 11. When you get this SUPCASE out of the box, first thing you're going to see is this little instruction panel. It does give you good instructions on how to remove it and replace it, but just thought I'd do a little video for you guys. Show you how easy it is. So it'll come assembled like this in the box. To get this apart, it will have a piece of styrofoam in here. I don't have that with me, but to get this apart, you just start at the bottom corner and you pull the case apart, and then you work your way around towards the other side, and while you're pulling out the case at the same time. This one's a good one, huh? So you work without the phone in it, it's definitely a little harder. But you work your way around there, pull it out. So this is gonna go on your phone first. So I like to put it on button side first, and then I start at the bottom, work my way up. And there you go, the front's installed. Now you're ready to slide it into the bottom. Work your way up, and there you go. That's installed. Push your flaps in, and that's it. Unicorn Beetle Pro installation. Okay, now to remove it, basically work it backwards. Start at the bottom corner. With the phone in it, it's going to be a little easier to pull off because it gives you some resistance. There you go. Some information. I don't want some information. And then you can pull it apart. It's a lot, like I said, with the phone in it, it gives it some stability on the front. And there you go. You pull that out, start at the top, and you remove it. There you go. Clean it, make it all look nice again. You can see this one's got some scratches. Definitely saved the screen there. But that's how easy it is. Brand new iPhone 11. Thanks for watching.